We are going back to like October 2020 or something.
We first swiped each other on Tinder.
I was honestly not looking for anything at that time, and I don't know how it happened.
After like 15 or 20 days, I got a match request. Like, you have matched with Parth. So yeah, that's how we started talking.
He actually started talking more about his personal life, and I was so more into him than anyone I have ever thought of.
It just went like talking to a friend whom you know for many years. And yeah, that's how it started, the normal conversations.
We thought of like, let's meet, and I was the one looking forward to that meeting.
Actually, at that time, I was preparing to go to the US. So I was preparing for this exam called GRE. And I was literally packed up with my work and preparing for the exam. I told him, let's meet on 5th December.
I remember that day for the whole life.
So he was like, why are you giving this appointment? It feels like an appointment after like 25 days or something. So I was like, no, I'm just busy. I have stuff to do on the weekends.
So I was like waiting for that day patiently, and I was like, this would be actually my first ever date with a guy.
So as I told you that I was a very shy, a very introverted kind of a person. I was so introverted I didn't have many friends as such. So meeting an unknown person and going on a date was something that was very difficult for me as such.
And he was kind of shy. Like, he saw me from like distant, and he was not looking at me. And I was like, is he gonna ditch me now? Like, is he gonna like run away or something? But I was like, I have to be extrovert in that case and take this further. And I walked into him.
When I first saw him at the restaurant, it felt like I knew this person from a very long time. And even he was very casual with me, that he didn't make me realize that we are someone unknown meeting for the very first time.
I asked one of my friends who cooks chocolate at her house. It was customized dark chocolate. I brought it to him, and he was quite surprised with that gesture.
So that was very cute of him to bring that set of chocolates.
We both know we were gay. It was a date, but to the restaurant, to everyone, it was just two friends meeting. So in a way, it was a little awkward. We were more shy. We were like afraid of things to go south, but nothing happened at that sort. But it was so romantic in his way. We went for a movie.
We didn't actually know which movie that was. We just wanted to spend some time together.
It went well. We spent almost a day together until night, and I went back to drop him.
So he came, he dropped me to Borivali where I stay. And yeah, it was very romantic. So these are the small things which made me believe that, maybe this person actually likes me and I see a connection happening.
And I came back, and throughout the journey, I was just thinking about him, like, is he gonna reply or just gonna block me? I don't know how it went. It went well for me, but I was just waiting for his text, and he just texted back like,
I knew that this is the person who I see my future with. Maybe not like a husband, but maybe as a partner at that stage. So yeah.
He liked the date, and I think he just, I don't remember what exactly he said, but everything went so well, and we were just looking forward to our next meet.
So why not invest our time in getting to know each other more and eventually turn into something.
We started dating somewhere back in 2020, not dating, but we knowing each other. Then I came to Canada.
I didn't thought at that moment that I'll marry someone being a gay, but I definitely knew that this is the person whom I actually want to date.
Somewhere down the line, we felt like if this could happen, we want to make this happen. And he actually made a big step by coming to Canada just because I'm here.
We actually planned a trip to Quebec last year, and we were near the Fairmont Hotel, and it was raining. There were a few people outside. All of a sudden, he went on his knees and he actually proposed to me.
It just struck one day that I want to make this happen sometime soon. And I planned the whole proposal. I just proposed him on that August 25th.
So that was the most romantic thing, I would say, moment that we would always cherish.
And we want to show to our friends and family that even we have the equal opportunity, equal right to get married.
This marriage signifies our love towards each other, the commitment that we are ready to take towards each other. Let's get married.
Saw your face in a crowd. You called to me out loud. Now I can't wait to marry you. In every little moment I could live for my life, until another moment comes around with you. Cause I want it all, I want every high and low. And started over. I can't wait to marry you.
I believe in not giving up on people that I actually care about. So even today, my parents actually don't accept the fact that I'm gay.
I have a single mom, so she doesn't know anything. I'm just waiting to tell her because this is the only person in my life I want to share about my relationship.
Yeah, I think I won't give up on my people till the last breath of my life. And I hope they will eventually understand someday.
Hopefully, whenever she is ready and I can share that to her, I'm just waiting for that day to happen.
And maybe they'll watch this video someday when they finally understand that, it's okay to be gay. But yeah, let's hope it goes good.
I can't wait.